In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Exness account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to upload, and how to avoid common mistakes so your verification goes through smoothly. First, log into your Exness personal area and head to the settings section. From there, open profile. This is where Exness keeps all account verification options in one place so you can complete everything without hunting through menus. On the profile page, you'll see the full set of verification steps laid out. Think of this as your checklist: contact details, identity verification, and residential address verification. You can come back here anytime to track progress or finish anything you started. Begin by verifying your email and phone number. Click Complete Now and follow the prompts. For email, Exness will send a confirmation message. Open it and click the verification link to confirm. For your phone, you'll receive a security code. Enter it where prompted. If you don't see the email, check your spam or promotions folder and make sure your phone can receive SMS or calls. The details you confirm here should match the information you plan to use on your documents later. Next, go to Identity Verification. Select the option to provide a document verifying your name. Have your ID ready before you start. You can typically use a valid, unexpired passport, national ID, or driver's license, as long as it shows your full name, date of birth, and a clear photo. When uploading, use well-lit, high-quality images, lay the document on a flat surface, capture the entire page with all corners visible, and avoid glare or blur. The name on your document must match the name on your Exness account. After that, open Residential Address Verification. Here, you'll provide proof of your place of residence. Upload a document that clearly shows your full name and current address, matching what you entered during registration. Common options include a recent utility bill, bank statement, or an official letter from a recognized institution. Make sure the document is dated recently, shows the full address, and is complete and readable. Avoid cropped images or screenshots. Full page scans or photos work best when everything is clear and in focus. Once you've completed all sections and submitted your documents, Exness will review your information. Processing times can vary, but you'll receive a notification when the review is complete. If anything is unclear or missing, just return to your profile page to upload a clearer version. That's it. Your account will be fully verified once approved, unlocking all platform features.